The Coalition for Public Health and Justice alleges, among other things, that acquired immunity has been ignored, as well as affordable medication that can be used to fight the virus. Addressing the media at a press conference on Wednesday, a member of the coalition and a scientist, Edem Senanu, said government should not bank its hopes on the COVID-19 vaccines.
The condition for giving emergency use approval, and emergency use means that it should not become the default. It should be the exception to the rule. Let's get that right. What emergency use approval by our FDA means is that the use of the vaccines in Ghana should be the exception and not the rule.
The coalition is also advocating for local research into drugs that are produced locally and can fight the virus.
What local investigation and research are we doing into what has worked here? Are you getting the point? Because our doctors and practitioners, especially in a context where we have done very well, Ghana has done very well, go and engage the medical and health practitioners. And the drugs that in the US and elsewhere they say don't use are the same drugs that have been used here. Tim said the same thing, I'm saying the same thing. And they found them to be very effective. It doesn't make sense. So we are saying, let's do some more research. Let's establish what has worked locally. Let's not just pick up what others have said and say, don't do this, don't do that. Especially where their situations have proven worse off than ours.
Lawyer Richard Nunik-Pikpu says until an LI is passed, government cannot mandate compulsory vaccination. He says they will sue all institutions that have instituted the no vaccination, no entry policy.
As we stand here today, no executive instrument have been issued by the president in that respect. And the president, in his response to the concerned doctors, have also indicated clearly that he has not mandated any COVID-19 vaccine in Ghana. So the question we ask is, where do the persons and institutions that are mandating compulsory COVID-19 evidence getting their power from? Where are they getting it from? That is what should be of concern to all of us as citizens. Whether you believe in the science or you believe in the data, the lawlessness that is being paraded around today should be of concern to you. And that is why, as members of the Coalition for Public Health and Justice, we think that there is an opportunity for us to go to court for these institutions and persons to come and show us where they are getting their powers from.